What is the contract months? We declined all these details. We want to go by quarter. We'll also have 2023 quarters also. Then you can export, or you can export your data. Or your configure export. So if you export data, also same. Now 4 lines will be exported. Actually, it is suggesting that you save the file name of what you're exporting. It's fine. The system will tell you 1 successful. It will tell you 3 rows have been exported. Click on Done. Action, Export Data. You will be having option to Done. Configure Export. Then you can decide here if you want that in a CSV format. Click on Export Data. Then this file will be added as a CSV format. OK. Sometimes, when you're running most of the detail, the display will show only some quantities on. In that case, we click on this display option. Edit. Then tell the system that show minimum of 3 rows. So maximum of 100 rows. Then all the rows will be shown. Are you select all the rows? Then all the rows will be displayed in your. For example, there are 2,000-3,000 line item. The system will throw only the first 100 or something like that. So here you show the maximum of. When you select all will be shown. Also shows the top spend item that composes specific percentage of total spend. So in this case, if you're selecting what level you want to send. So about 80% of the top spend. I want to do that. Then you use this rule. Or if you want to include all, you include all. Minimum subtotal percentage. You can also do this subtotal also. If you want private get, you can click on this one. So totals are various on the private table. I don't want that private table. Remove that one, click on OK. Sorry, edit. So the same way in display options also. The same thing, whatever you are seeing here. Clicking on Edit or Actions and Display Options also same. Save changes. Save this report. Since I opened from non-prepackaged report, I was able to save it. If you're working on a prepackaged report, then once you click on Save, the system will ask you to put the file name or the report name where you want to save it. Do your practice. There is no harm in reporting. So try to run reports on sourcing. Try to run reports on contract. Try to run reports on purchase requisition. So how do you do that? You go to the Edit. In the source data, select different facts. One is for the sourcing, one is for the requisition, and find out what are all the fields available by going to the next screen. Then you will understand what are all the fields available in that particular module or event which you are selecting.